Hello again. All right. So, in Houston, I'm sure all over the country, we're having some wonderful fucking weather. Let me tell you. Um, I've escaped issues, most of the issues. Did have a sprinkler system that busted wide open, so that was fun. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing well out there. As best, uh, as best they can. Um, Speaking of which, I know that this is one of those times where you're stuck in your house and um, not a lot of things to do. You know the old story. Um, was it idle hands with idle time, right? Those are the times that you start thinking and you start contemplating things, and you can fall deep into thought, self doubt, all those nasty little things that tends to really bite us in the ass. Um, Mentioned on another episode, we got coping mechanisms, right? And to me, that's coping mechanism can be anything that can occupy your mind, that echoing thought inside your brain, that whatever those thoughts are, um, it's really very negative, and it can kind of snowball and grow on itself. Um, so a couple things I do is and please share your what works for you. But anything from a musical instrument to reading a book to exercise. In a normal day, I would be out on my mountain bike, listening to an audiobook, going for about 20 miles, and disappearing into um, the world, exploring new places I've never seen before, getting lost and trying to find my way back, type of thing. Um, Although in the house, I can't do that. Um, so, um, Musical instruments are good. Woodworking, anything in the garage. I think that. Well, I'll just show you. Right. This little sucker right here. Um, One of these Lego builds, which is basically 3D puzzle, right? Um, Not your average Lego, thanks to my buddies at, well, that's what it's going to end up looking like. Now I just lost my damn page. Anyway, the reason I like them is because it does allow you to lose yourself into what you're doing, not think about anything else. Um, and it's something positive, right? It can be something stupid like that. Yeah, 46-year-old man playing with Legos, but guess what? Um, it's a much healthier outlet than a lot of other things that we could be doing, right? And I'll take that any day. So, like I said, share your stories. Let us know. Put in the comments below. And of course, want to encourage you guys to subscribe, um, like the page, follow the page, all that good stuff. It's pretty interesting that this thing is growing as much as it has. Appreciate you guys, and just a little over a week and a half, and it's a lot bigger than I ever thought it would be. Who knows? Might be onto something. But yeah, keep moving forward, guys.